Hey guys, what's up? This is Code the Land Garage, and today is Tech Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to talk about preparing your project for a good paint job. The tech tip for today is if you're going to paint a car that is older than 20 years old, you need to strip all the paint off, okay? So this is a 1956 Ford hood. The paint on it, the original paint that we took off, this is year 2022. This paint's 66 years old, and let me tell you something. Paint, chemicals, and technology has come a long ways in that time. So if you're painting a car or repainting a car, it is crucial that you get all the way down to the bare metal, because this is the best place to start. If you only scuff the surface and then you start laying down coats of new paint, then it's likely, very likely, that it wasn't prepped correctly and the chemicals from the old paint are going to react with the chemicals from the new paint. Because when you spray down paint, it takes a long time. It can take years to fully outgas and cure. And so that means that you can spray it down right now and it's gonna look great for a couple years, but after about 5 or 10, it's not going to look good. It's not going to be good. It's not going to handle and perform the way it's supposed to. The reason why this old paint lasted for so long is because it was originally prepped and completed correctly from the factory. And so if you want your paint job to last just as long, this is where you start. So that is today's quick tip. I appreciate you guys watching all the way through. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Go ahead and leave a comment about other videos that you'd like to see that would be helpful to help you complete your build. We really appreciate it. Have a good day, guys. Bye.